Most creators think they are safe with Stripe until they find out the hard way their business falls under high risk. Stripe doesn't always spell out coaching or subscriptions in plain English. Instead, they use catch all language like high risk. That means your account could get flagged simply because your industry falls into one of these vague categories. Thousands of creators only discover this after their funds are frozen. EasyPay Direct handles this differently. They underwrite your account upfront so you know right away if your business model is approved. And they back it with stability features like recurring billing, decline recovery, and transaction routing, all designed to keep your payments running without surprise freezes. The link's in the description if you want to see how EasyPay Direct supports creators without putting them in that high risk gray zone. Get started today with a merchant account that's built for content creators, coaches, and info products without the risk of vague rules shutting you down. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to begin.